Hi, I'm Avi Horowitz with Rare Real Estate. Welcome to my new listing right here in Lotus in Boca Raton. This home has about $370,000 in upgrades, a mix of builder upgrades and custom improvements the homeowner added after closing. I'll walk you through what really made it special. For anyone who doesn't have the patience or the time to start from scratch, this home comes fully furnished and completely turnkey. It's also one of the few homes you'll find here in Lotus that focuses on wellness with a whole house water filtration and softening system, a digital alkaline water system at the kitchen sink, and filtered showers in every bathroom. Throughout the home, you'll see custom woodwork and built-ins that add warmth and detail beyond the standard Honolulu model. Upstairs, brand new hardwood flooring that was just recently installed within the past few weeks. Out back, you'll find one of my favorite parts, the jacuzzi with a cascading waterfall set against the lake and fountain view. It's really peaceful, especially at sunset. Of course, living at Lotus, you get access to one of the best clubhouses in South Florida with a resort-style pool, tennis, pickleball courts, indoor and outdoor basketball, and the full-service restaurant. Come on, let me show you.